This is Inventor Lesson 14, Chapter 4. You're going to start by finding a file called Whole Thread Feature 1. It's going to open a file like this. You're going to start by going up to the ribbon, picking up Whole tool. It's going to open a menu kind of like this. You're going to go click bottom, and focus on this area right here. You're going to zoom in, click right here. It's going to initialize. It's going to pick the first point. So we're going to use a linear for the first one. We're going to click one side. It's going to set one side there. Click another side. Put 4 millimeters in. Click enter. You really don't. That's just showing that you will set these equal to both sides. You can kind of notice how it is right there. Now you open this up. I don't know why that did not change, but whatever. Now we'll go over here. We're going to make sure we have this countersink on. We're going to click distance, and we're going to click right here for threading options. Your threading options are going to be ISO metric profile. You're going to go over here to size 6. Once it's over size 6, you're going to have M6X1 on. It's going to be right hand, full depth, and this is going to be 10 millimeters, and this is going to be 4. And once that's done, you're going to click OK. It's going to create a hole that matches all the others, has your threading right there, as you can see. You're going to do it also right here, so go right back, click hole, right there. Reference 1 is this line, reference 2 is this line, 4 millimeters. Countersink, threading, distance is going to be 4 and 10. This is going to be 6, full depth, isometric profile, your size is 6, X1, there you go, click OK. That's the first part. So, now the second part, we're going to do a hole right here, right on the top. So, that hole on the top is going to be a M6 tap hole with a flange. So, let's see if I can just get a better area on it. Okay, so we're going to get a hole. I want one right here. We're going to click the circle's edge and go in. So, let's see here. Use the concentric. Place it off of that. Now you notice how this hole is concentric to the radius, not the radius, the center point of the arc of that outer flange. And once that's created, you're going to go to metric profile M6.1, you're good right there, and everything looks good. Then you can click apply and you're good. And once you pull out, you'll notice how it's there. The next one, you're going to find this working point. The working point is going to be something that's going to be a little bit difficult to find, maybe. So it's like right there. That's the working axis-y, and then the working point should be something that's very close. So, see how that's right there? So it wants us to create a hole that is 4 millimeters with a termination all the way through, following that point. So I'm going to, actually visibility is on, not off. I'm going to turn on the axis-y right here, and then I'm going to create a point and a hole on the point. So I'm going to use point, click right there, and then want a 4 millimeter hole in diameter that set the termination is all the way through. So all the way through is the termination, and they want a they bought this type of hole. I don't even know what that is. And right there, and then it'll click apply, and you'll notice how there's 2 holes all the way through, right there and right there. And once you're done, if you want to, you can turn off the work axes by just right clicking visibility, and there you go. And that's it. Now you can go into here, click, you're going to do a drawing. It's going to pull up your presentation file, and once your presentation file is up, you make your base and you're good. So just show that really quickly, like this, PDF it, and then you're totally fine. You just save as PDF. Do not save to the original file, and